Matthew here from fiberglasssupply.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a broken or rolled FCS fin plug. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to remove the screw. We're going to be cutting this box out, and we don't want the screw in the way. And in this particular case, that part of the box is broken free already, so we're going to use an ice pick there in the screw hole just to kind of work that bit out. We're not too worried about damaging the board. A little more, we just don't want to damage the glass around the hole there. So now that we have that out, we're going to need a little jig to help guide the hole saw as we cut that remainder of the box free. So we're using some polycarbonate here. You can use plywood, you can use a number of different things, but we're going to use some polycarbonate. We're just going to cut a hole in that with our hole saw that came out of the FCS installation kit, and then we'll carefully hot glue that in place, and that will act as a guide for the hole saw and allow us to cut cleanly without messing up other parts of the board. Also, this center drill bit that normally would guide the hole saw really doesn't do anything for you here because there's nothing for it to cut into. So we really do need this jig that we've hot glued to the board. Once we have that glued and it's set, we're going to carefully drill out the remainder of that fin plug. We're going to drill down to the depth of the existing hole. You could go a little deeper, it won't hurt if you do. And the resin and plastic that you're going to cut into will tend to want to gum up the cutter, so periodically vacuum it out or blow it out, remove the sawdust or the debris from there. Once we've drilled to the final depth, we're going to take a screwdriver and just really carefully lever on that a little bit, and that will break the resin on the bottom of the plug free from the foam and allow us to get that out. Once that's out, we just want to check the hole, make sure that we're clean all the way around. You do want to check for other damage and see if there's other parts or areas around that damaged fin plug that need to be repaired. Sometimes there are, so you just need to be aware of that. But once that's cleaned out and we've assessed it, we're ready to go on and install a fin plug. Hey, thanks for watching that video, and if that helped you out, you may be interested in our ding repair playlist. So check that out right here, and have a great day.